Welcome to week 3, level 0 of Urge to Write Daily Writing Challenge. This week we're going to go back to the same book or a different book that we were talking about last week, but we're going to focus on a different character. This week we're going to focus on the bad guy. If you're reading a book that doesn't really have a bad guy, then think of another book or choose a different character from the book. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you're getting value from these videos. If one of the daily questions has really helped you and you found something really insightful, put it down in the comments below. Likewise, if you find that a question is just too difficult or you've really struggled with it, again, just let me know in the comments. I really value your feedback. Thanks.